So it's a very basic example of email connection. We'll make it because you might be going through this hospital management system and online shopping all. I have taken some other example. So we have to do what? First of all, we have to identify initial and final state. All the intermediate activities which you want from final state to end, you can identify them. These should come in the activity diagram. Then the condition and constraint should be clearly emphasized and clearly shown with the change of control flow. So the control flow, wherever it changes, you have to put the condition and constraint. And finally, we have to draw the diagram with appropriate notations. So let me take step by step, and whatever I am writing, I am going to give only the first letter here because the space is limited. I'll give you the first. Okay, let us start. Email connection. And email connection needs what? First, we need to have establish email connection. Finally, the final thing will be communication established. So we'll start here with the circle, filled circle. First thing is the email condition. You need to establish an email connection. So we have to make a round square, this square with the rounded corners. A rectangle, not a square, it's a rectangle with rounded corners. So establish email communication. This is the first activity of this particular activity diagram. Now there are certain activity which may run concurrently. So what will happen? For that we have this arrow showing the control of flow, and then you will use a fork. You will use a fork here. This fork will give rise to what? We can have two activities. You can send email. This is send email. And the other, what can be the other one? You can receive the response. You can get the response. Receive the response. One time it is send, the other can be receive response. And these two are getting executed concurrently, simultaneously. Now, when you are sending email, let us complete the send email first. When you are sending an email, what are the conditions? There are constraints and conditions here. You want to send a private content, or you can send just a normal content. So for that, you need to have a diamond here because you're making a decision. And decision means that is it a private content? Do you have a private content? You don't want to share it with anyone else except the destination. So you just need to write fully here. I'm writing the initials. Private content. Here you're going to write if it is else. Means if it is not a private content, not a very secret content. Else, go to else. If it is private content, regular, it goes to right. Private, it goes to left. Now, if it is regular, nothing else, just send regular email. Normally, if it is normal email, you just go with this regular email. But if it is private content, private email, you can't send like this. For that, you have to encrypt. You have to make this email secure to be sent on the communication network. For that, you have encrypted email. Now you can add certain information. For that, you can have a flip page, or you can have a box with a flip, and you can show that what a user intend, because this cannot be understood by everyone. We have to make it understandable to everyone. So you can have extra, you can say a metadata or information you can give just to make it understandable. Okay, now two things are done. Now when these two work are complete, you can have, because you are merging it, so you are actually having left and right merge with a diamond. This is the merge, not a join, merge. Then we have the right work is receive response. Now you send, you need to wait. You have to wait, and the time can be considerable. For that, what you do? You put an hourglass, because you know that it may take some time. It may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 2 hours. So wait for 2 hours. So you have labeled it also. This is an hourglass. Then what you do? If you may get reply, you may not get reply because you are waiting for a response. What you do? So if you get you don't get any reply, you can start or fork another thing. You can go to some activity or whichever action you want to take. Or you can just say error. And if it is a valid reply, what are you going to do? Done. So left, right, all these concurrent activities are done. So you have to use the reverse fork. Fork you have used, now you have to use this exactly like this. And finally, you can say communication established. Communication established. Because error condition we have already checked. Communication established, and this is how you're going to end. So a circle inside a circle, filled circle. A filled circle inside a circle. So this was a very basic example, because most of the time we have understood about the online shopping, etc. This is an ATM, etc. This is a different kind of example. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.